Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are keep doing great, well, and awesome. Today's topic have today I have two topic and we will discuss later about this topic. First of all we translate some things Hindi to English, and I hope you are keep watching that video till end. You are keep interesting to watch that video to learn, and you have to decide that you have to speak English fluently, not soon but very soon, if you do hard work right way. Guys, so many things I have, just only not per English purpose, learning English purpose, regarding education, regarding life lesson, regarding share market, regarding I have so many things. बट हम जो है एक थ्री पार्ट्स में सारा जो नॉलेज है वो गेन करेंगे. और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू ट्रांसलेट सम थिंग्स हिंदी टू इंग्लिश. सेकेंड वन we can discuss about life. Third one we can discuss about knowledge. It's another knowledge. This knowledge has a need to have to everyone. So first of all, my name is Miss Anu. I'm from Pune, and I had done my BCom graduation. Then I did so many courses and at all. And I have one kid also, and he's about 4.5 year old. But some reason I can't do anything. But every day I think be positive. सबसे पहले यदि आपको खुद पर विश्वास है, आपको लगता है आप कर सकते हो, तो ही आप वो करने का स्टार्ट कीजिए. Apart from that, if you feel negative, like I can't do this, I haven't confidence, so don't waste your time. Please go back from here. And with whatever you want to do, we can do. आपको लगता है इंग्लिश इज जस्ट अ लैंग्वेज, मैं यदि हार्डवर्क करती हूँ, प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ, तो मैं ये इजीली स्पीक कर पाओगी फ्रंट विथ एनी वन. आपको लगता है वाई ओ माई गॉड इंग्लिश इज द लैंग्वेज बट आई कांट डू दिस because it's very hard, I haven't confidence, my confidence very low, even not English, if someone front of me, so I can't speak with them, even Marathi and Hindi, whichever your mother tongue. So like this you thinking, so please don't waste your time and go back from here. Plus, if you have confidence, yes, after doing hard work I can do anything. Like me, I decided not everyone has my cup of tea. खुद पर विश्वास है, आत्मविश्वास है, बहुत सारा कॉन्फिडेंस है. जो भी मैं कर सकती हूँ वो मैं करती हूँ, उसमें मेरा अपना 100% देती हूँ. एंड इम्पॉसिबल हैज़ पॉसिबल. आई डिसाइडेड, आई सेड दिस थिंग एट माई माइंड. We can translate some things Hindi to English. For example, in before the session I will translate, like we can use some little hard sentences also, because of your practice you start earlier, so very soon you can translate these thoughts easily. For example, कल हम मार्केट जाने वाले थे बट नहीं गए. Last day I was about to go to the market but I could not. कल यदि मैं मार्केट कल जाती तो बहुत सारी शॉपिंग कर लेती. If I had gone to the market yesterday, I would have been done shopping a lot. मैंने कल कुछ स्पेशल बनाया था बट ऑन द टाइम हम ईट नहीं कर पाए. लास्ट डे आई मेड समथिंग स्पेशल इन अ डिनर बट आई कुड नॉट टेक ऑन द टाइम. कल हमने बहुत सारा फ़न किया बट फ़न में कज़िन की तबीयत बिगड़ गई थी. यस्टरडे आई वॉज टू फन विथ कलीग्स विथ कज़िन, बट इन बिटवीन one of cousin faced little problem. he felt unwell, so उसी समय हमने स्टॉप किया और रिलैक्स फील किया. देन पीसफुल माइंड रिलेटेड बुक लर्न करना, रीड करना स्टार्ट कर दी. देन हम सोने चले गए. Immediately we we felt relaxed. We talked with each other very politely. Then we started to read book conscious mind related. Then we go back our bedroom for sleep. देन कभी कभी होता है ऐसा है कि हम कुछ स्पेशल करने की इच्छा रखते हैं बट हम नहीं कर पाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ sometime we can decide, sometime we decide we have to do something special but we can't do. Why? Because of confidence, because of positivity, because of negativity, because कुछ positivity and negativity, that what difference between positivity and negativity. If we want to be like, for example, me, I want to do something special but in between some negative thoughts coming to my mind, some negative thoughts going on to my mind, so we distract and we felt no we can't do. But that time place on negative position, place on negative thought, place on negative things. If I decided I have confidence and I have trust on me, I will do anything whatever I want to do, whichever thing I want to do I will do. At that time some positive things going on in my mind, so it is a good for me apart from that negative thoughts. So this is the different positive and negative. First of all we had to make ourselves be positive. Second one, as you know, in starting I explain you, if you want to do and you are feeling like that positive, yes you can do, so please start to do hard work confidently and trust you with trusting. So whichever you want to do you can do easily. So थर्ड वन, कल मैंने लैपटॉप ऑन किया, जैसे चेयर पर बैठे तो लाइट चली गई थी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बंद हो गई थी. Yesterday, as far as I sit on the chair and I switch on the laptop, immediately electricity had gone. So मैंने थिंक किया कि मैं कुछ बुक्स रीड कर लूँ, और बुक्स रीडिंग के बाद टेरिस पे जाकर क्लोज फ्रेंड से कुछ कॉन्वर्सेशन करूँ. So that time I thought I have to read some books related knowledge, related conscious mind, related Chanakya Niti. After that I will go on the terrace and we will conversation with my friends at least 5 to 10 minutes. हम दोनों सिस्टर बहुत ही गुड वे से बात करते हैं एक दूसरे से. हमारा कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत ही बेहतरीन होता है. जब भी हम मिलते हैं तो बहुत ही नॉलेजेबल थिंग्स पर कुछ नॉलेजेबल टॉपिक पर ही चर्चा करते हैं. उधर की बातें करने के लिए हमारे पास समय नहीं होता है. If I talk about both our sisters, so when we meet, so we talk just only knowledgeable thoughts. So when we meet with each other, so we start to discuss about knowledgeable topic. We discuss about very good knowledge. Whichever knowledge she has, whichever knowledge I have, so I transfer that knowledge. Okay, transfer also has key of success. I will later tell you about this, but in that video just something I can do, I will tell you, I'm telling you. So we transfer knowledge each other, then we haven't time to discuss another unnecessary topic. Just we meet for some time, we meet each other only sometime. That's the reason we talk each other just only knowledgeable topic. हमें बच्चों में कंपैरिजन नहीं करना चाहिए. इस कंपैरिजन को अवॉइड ही करना चाहिए। क्यों करना चाहिए? बहुत सारे रीज़न इसके पीछे होते हैं। वी शुड नॉट कंपेयर टू आवर सन टू समवन सन। वी शुड नॉट कंपेरिजन टू आवर सन टू someone's son, because it is not good for us, it is not good for our son. What the reason they are behind this? There are so many reasons behind this. We will discuss about later in next video. We can carry on our conversation, translate to Hindi to English. कल जब हम बाहर गए तो सोचा पहले कहीं जूस पी लेते हैं, बट इमीडिएटली रिमेंबर हुआ कि फास्ट होने की वजह से हम जूस नहीं पी पाएंगे. Last day when I went to the market, so we thought we had to take juice, but due to fast we could not take. जब दो फ्रेंड्स एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं बहुत समय बाद, सो उनको बात करते करते इतना टाइम चला जाता है कि टाइम का पता ही नहीं चलता है. जब दो फ्रेंड दूसरे से मिलते हैं और बात करते तो समय का पता ही नहीं चलता है. व्हेन both are friend meet each other together, so they don't find to time, and while talking time passed very easily. और दो फ्रेंड्स को आपस में मिलना भी चाहिए, जो कि उन दोनों के लिए बेस्ट होता है, बेहतर होता है. When like I have one friend, so I have to meet with her, not most of the time, but we have to meet through the video call, through the WhatsApp, through the social media. Social media is okay, because nowadays we haven't time to go anywhere, go someone home and visit, and that's only fun, because everyone has busy with own work, everyone busy with own family member, so we can talk with them social media. So let me translate this thing. Let I tell you how to translate this. If you have some good friends, so we have to meet them, we have to talk with them, we have to conversation with them. It will be good for both us. It will be good for both us. हमें हमेशा पॉजिटिव थिंग से भरे रहना चाहिए. हमें हमेशा हंसते रहना चाहिए. वी हैव टू बी पॉजिटिव. वी हैव टू गोइंग ऑन सम पॉजिटिव थॉट्स इन आवर माइंड. वी हैव टू कीप हैप्पी टू अवर सेल्फ. जिससे क्या होता है कि इरिटेशन नहीं होता है, तो हेल्थ अच्छी होती है तो सब कुछ अच्छा रहता है. व्हाट विल बी हैपन like we cannot be irritated, we cannot be sad our mood, and what will be happen, our health will be good, and if our health is good, so automatically everything is good, automatically everything is going on very good. I hope you getting my point. In next video we will make so many sentences Hindi to English. Apart from that, we will discuss life lesson in just only Hindi. It was our mother tongue. I know someone know English also very well, but Hindi has the mother tongue, and we can when we speak in Hindi, when we transfer my knowledge with Hindi language, so I feel also happy, and while listening to you, you also feel happy. So later we will meet in my next video. Until and unless, keep happy, keep growing, keep learning.